The GTPlayer Deluxe Gaming Chair brings a much-needed balance of comfort, durability, and style to the world of gaming and work-from-home setups. From the first look, it's clear that this chair means business, with premium materials, ergonomic design, and multiple thoughtful features. It stands out as a top-tier option for anyone spending long hours at their desk. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Here's what we found inside. User manual, chair backrest, retractable footrest, armrests, seat cushion, heavy-duty metal base, toolkit, Allen wrench and screws. Assembly was straightforward, thanks to the included manual and labeled hardware. Most of the major parts are pre-assembled. All we had to do was attach the backrest, footrest, wheels, and base. Total build time, about 15 to 20 minutes. Comfort is clearly the highlight here. The chair offers head support, back support, and dedicated lumbar support, all structured to promote healthy posture during long sessions. Whether you're working, gaming, or just leaning back to relax, the design supports your body in all the right places. The 90 degrees to 135 degrees reclining function adds that extra touch of flexibility. Sit up straight to focus, or lean back and unwind. GTPlayer has taken lumbar support to another level by embedding independent pocketed springs into the cushion. This provides a soft, elastic response that adapts to your body over time. No more hard, fixed lumbar pads that press uncomfortably. It feels more like a plush mattress for your back, reducing fatigue even after hours of use. The chair is upholstered in premium PU leather, known for being wear-resistant, breathable, and easy to clean. You don't have to worry about cracking or peeling even after extended use. On top of that, the diamond-patterned embroidery adds a luxurious visual flair that gives the chair a premium look and feel. From the soft, PP cotton cushioning to the thickened armrests, everything about this chair screams comfort. The outward extended armrests are reinforced with dual steel bars, providing solid elbow support without feeling flimsy. You can comfortably rest your arms without them sinking or slipping off. The chair comes with a retractable footrest, a big win for those who like to kick back during breaks. The height adjustment lever is smooth and easy to use, and the metal base with caster wheels ensures durability and mobility. Whether you're sliding across your room or adjusting the chair's tilt, everything feels smooth and sturdy. Whether you're using it for gaming, working, or just casual lounging, the GTPlayer Deluxe adapts seamlessly. The build quality and support system make it suitable for daily use in any environment. The neutral and stylish color options, including black, white, and dual-tone variations. This fabric enhances breathability and moisture absorption, making it a better option for those in warmer climates or with sensitive skin. It also offers a softer touch and a fresh look compared to traditional PU finishes. The GTPlayer Deluxe Gaming Chair checks nearly every box. It's ergonomic, comfortable, durable, and visually appealing. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or remote worker, this chair delivers a premium seating experience without the premium price tag. If you're looking for a chair that can keep up with your daily grind and still look great in your setup, this one's a solid choice. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.